Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let's us learn how to draw a monkey working on a laptop today. Let's get started. We will start by drawing a big curly M. Then add in 2 semicircles at the end of the M for the cheek. Join both ends together to complete the outline for its face. Next, we will be drawing its head. At a distance apart, at the intersection between the face and cheek. Draw a big curve up. Leave some space, and at a slightly higher position, draw another big curve down. Next, let's add in its hairs, using some triangles. And we can proceed to complete the head by closing the gap from both ends. We are done with the head now. Let's move on by adding the monkey's ears. Draw 2 sets of semicircles at both sides of its face. Next, add in the eyes with some ovals. Shall we give the eyes some emotions? Draw 2 dented ovals inside the eyes we drew just now. And then proceed to shape them. Then add in the mouth and nose. We have drew all the elements on the monkey's head. Let's proceed and move on to the body next. At the position below where the eyes is, draw a big curve down. Do the same for the other side, but with a smaller curve. Let's draw the laptop next. First, draw a big rectangle. Then 2 smaller rectangles to form the base. Like so. Join them together and you have completed the laptop. At the empty space between the laptop and the body, let's draw in its leg. Then its arm, with some simple curved lines. In the space in between, add in its hand. Draw 3 little fingers and join the ends together. Next, add in the other arm at the end of the laptop screen. Add in the tail next. At a distance away from the body, draw a big S. Then draw a smaller S inside. Shall we add in a brand for the laptop? Let's do it! Let's learn how to draw a simple banana too. First, draw a simple big curved line. Followed by a smaller one with a rounded tip. an open rectangle at the top. Finish off with a round at the end. You can then proceed to add in the banana on the laptop. Here you go. Hope you enjoyed drawing with me. See you in the next one.